Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put together a Lamborghini Urus. We'll start by looking at the initial stages of production, where the vehicle's core structure takes shape. This involves a blend of cutting-edge technology and meticulous human craftsmanship, ensuring every component meets Lamborghini's exacting standards. From the chassis to the body panels, precision is paramount in bringing this high-performance SUV to life. Next, the Urus body begins its transformation. High-strength steel and aluminum are carefully joined to form the robust yet lightweight structure. Following this, the vehicle enters the paint shop, where it receives several coats of premium paint. This multi-stage process, including primer, base coat, and clear coat, ensures a deep, lustrous finish that protects the vehicle and enhances its iconic design. With the body complete, the heart of the Urus is installed, its powerful engine and sophisticated drivetrain. This complex assembly is carefully lowered into place and connected. Simultaneously, the luxurious interior takes shape. Skilled technicians meticulously fit premium leather, carbon fiber, and advanced electronic systems, creating a comfortable and technologically advanced cabin for the driver and passengers. Finally, the Urus moves to its last assembly stages. Wheels, brakes, and all exterior trim pieces are carefully attached. Before leaving the factory, each vehicle undergoes rigorous testing, including dynamic road tests and comprehensive quality checks. This ensures that every Lamborghini Urus meets the brand's legendary standards for performance, luxury, and safety, ready for its owner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.